Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video is going to be another AAC creative video and talk about different ways that you can incorporate sensory and communication opportunities and just overall core word practice. Okay, so I have two ideas here for you in this one video. So this is just colored sand. I got this at Walmart. It's called like Crayola sand or something. It was like $7 a bag. You get a huge bag though. And so I like to make sensory bins with it. I also like to use this colored sand whenever I'm making squishy books with my kids. If you don't know what a squishy book is, go to my collaborative site on Basque AAC and we'll tell you all about squishy books. It's a huge love for us because it's a huge hit with the kids. And then the other bin over here is just colored rice. So I just took rice, I shook it up in a gallon-sized bag with food coloring, and then you can mix all the different colors together and you have rainbow rice. So two fun sensory kits all on their own that you can have for different communication activities, talking about how the sand or the rice feels, describing it, how it runs between their fingers, that they want to do more, and everything like that. So you can work on basic different communication opportunities with requesting, giving commands, and describing there. But if you want to add another element to it, or if you're wanting to work on something and you're having trouble having it be motivating, either for your child or student, put it in a sensory bin, and usually that's the key. So with the sand here, an idea that I have are letters. I love to work on this with my young son. He will totally find the letters every time if I just put it in a different sensory bin. So you can work on letters, identifying letter identification. You could also work on sounds with the letters, spelling a word out with the letters like we've talked about in previous videos. Another idea is I just chop up some of those low-tech communication boards into the different symbols, and I always have them in a bag so that I can use them for whatever I need. So in previous videos, I've used them in Easter eggs and things like that. And here, I just put the symbols into the sand, and so they can use the tools and then find a word. And once they found the word, we're going to find it on the device. And then you could put it a step farther and try to make it put the sentence and the word into a sentence of context to teach them that word as well. Another idea for your sensory bins is if you're working on a certain vocabulary set of words, if you have a puzzle that goes with it. So here I have music, and so we could be working on, hey, I found the guitar.
Guitar.
So we're going to find either the vocabulary word in the device to help teach them where that set of words is. You're also working on putting the puzzle together. So you could just work on words that you work on with the puzzle. That, hey, I found the guitar. Now I need to put it in. And then another idea, again going with the vocabulary, is if you have like miniature objects. So say I've got miniature animals here and I want to work on animal vocabulary, I can just put those in my sensory bin, and then they can play around and do a seek and find with the animals. Same thing, we can just talk about how we found the animal, or we can go to our animal page and they have to be able to find that animal. Giraffe. Okay. All right, so there's a couple of examples on how you can provide aided language input, work on different literacy skills or vocabulary with sensory bins of just colored sand and of colored rice. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe below.